in the cracks that were spreading my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void.
So we've made it. Look how cute. We are in Burlington, Vermont.
And lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless. Screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed.
We got Katie without shoes. She broke up with her shoes tonight.
Always.
Good morning, Kate.
Hey.
Cute. It's cute little downtown. Burlington, Vermont, day 2.
Coffee.
What kind of coffee?
Drip coffee with maple syrup in it.
And
Oat milk and homemade whipped cream.
the best.
And lit up a flame. Ooh, I was my own enemy. Screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold,
So we just left the farmer's market. What do we get, Kate?
So we've got syrup, maple
Maple
candies,
syrup. Ship some home.
maple candies,
Mm-hmm.
maple donut,
Mm.
maple cookies,
Mm.
some dumplings,
Some dumplings. Ham and cheese croissant. That was phenomenal.
some sugared nuts.
Sugared nuts. That we're not gonna eat those right now.
We're about to try this
Mm.
hand pie with mushrooms.
This mushroom hand pie. So we just waited like 20 minutes in line to get this hand pie.
in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home.
This is Katie and I running onto private property because it's just so pretty.
In your arms of gold, I rise from the ashes.
We made it to the orchard and oh my gosh, and we got cider. Show them the cider. Holy moly. Yes.
Wanna be the person that you call up when you're down. Wanna be the first who knows all of your deepest secrets. Can I be the one who wakes you up before you missed your ride?
We have made it
'Cause I wanna be close to
to the apple
I
orchard.
wanna show you something new. You gotta know. Every day I got your back, yeah, you can count on me for that. So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for.
We are going to grab some drinks. We have dinner at 8. It's only 6. We just woke up from a lovely little rest. Lovely little rest. And we're ready to start night number 2. We've had a very productive day so far. Yeah. We just had a great dinner, and now we're on our way to meet Lauren and Tommy.
Someday we will find that the world has changed, but we stay true to each other. I will always be there for you whenever you need my help. Taking my time to be yours.
Burlington, day 3. We are spending the day just exploring, and where are we going?
Dobra.
Dobra. What did Dobra tea, and then we're exploring. Brunch. I don't know. We don't know where we're brunching yet, but we're gonna find some brunch. So Dobra was closed. Instead, we got our favorite coffee, the maple oat milk whipped coffee, homemade whip. And then we're walking in this adorable park.
Show you something new. You gotta know, every day I got your back. Yeah, you can count on me. Yeah. So put your hand in mine. I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reached for
Our last night in Burlington, and we are going to a bar first.
Yes, it's called Splash.
Called Splash. It's on the water. And then we're going to dinner at American Flatbread. So,
And then
za. We don't know. You know, you have to look here.
yeah, I know.
Okay. Again. So exciting. Made it to Stowe. Our bagels and the view. It's gorge. We just so happen to drive by and stumble upon this beautiful area.